Okay, let's continue. So the solution, the formula and steps. Compute differences. D1 equal to after minus before. And then D and SD. So use the formula. T is equals to D bar over SD squared of N. And DF is equal to 14. How did we get 14? 15 minus 1 is 14. Since claim is improved, so use right-tailed. So our H1 is equals to UD greater than 0. Compare P to 0.01. So plug your D and S into the formula. If one-tailed is less than, if P one-tailed is less than 0.01, reject HO. Training improves memory. Number 19. A hospital measures blood pressure before and after a new therapy for 10 patients. Test if the therapy is effective at alpha is equal to 0.05. So we're given blood pressure before and after therapy for N is equal to 10 students. Alpha is 0.05. Raw paired data not supplied. Test if therapy is effective. Changes in BP. So solution, the formula and steps. D1 is before minus after. And then compute D bar and then the SD. So use the formula T is equals to D bar over SD over square root of N. And then DF is 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. Use two-tailed test if effective. Means change in either direction. Or one-tailed if direction is specified. Final answer. Compute D and SD and plug into the formula. Decide using P and alpha equal to 0.05. Number 20. A class takes a pretest and post-test on statistics and is 18 students. Test whether there is an improvement at alpha equal to 0.05. So we're given pretest and post-test scores for N is equals to 18 students. Alpha is 0.05. Rate data not supplied. So test whether there is an improvement. So our solution, first obtain D1, post minus pre, and then compute D and then SD. And then the formula for T is D bar over SD over square root of N. DF is 17. Use right-tailed test. So H1, mu D is greater than 0. Compare P to 0.05. And then final answer, provide D bar and SD from the data. And then compute T and P. If P one-tailed is less than 0.05, reject HO. There is improvement. MCQ for our quarter 4, data and probability. Lesson Roman numeral number 10, population means using technology, the Z-test, and then the T-test. Number 1. A factory claims that its bulbs last 1,000 hours with a known standard deviation of 80 hours. A sample of 40 bulbs has a mean of 980 hours. Which test should be used? A. One sample t-test. B. Z-test for known sigma. C. Independent samples t-test. Letter D. Paired samples t-test. Number 2. A soda company states the mean volume in its 500 ml bottle is 500 ml. Sigma is unknown, and a sample of 25 bottles show a mean of 495 ml with S equal to 6 ml. Which test is appropriate? A. One sample t-test. B. Z-test for known sigma. C. Paired samples t-test. Letter D. Samples t-test. Number 3. A school wants to test if the average GPA of students differ from 2.5. The population's sigma is unknown. Which statistical tool should be used? Letter A. Z-test for known sigma. B. One sample t-test. Letter C. Paired samples t-test. D. Independent samples t-test. Number 4. A researcher tests whether online students N is equal to 30, mean equal to 82, S equal to 5, scored differently than classroom students. N is equal to 28, mean 79, S is 5. Which test is used? Letter A. Sample t-test. Letter B. Independent samples t-test. Letter C. Paired samples t-test. Letter D. Z-test for known sigma. Number 5. A medical trial compares blood pressure of patients before and after a new treatment. Which hypothesis test applies? Letter A. Z-test for known sigma. Letter B. Paired samples t-test. Letter C. Independent samples t-test. Letter D. One sample t-test. Number 6. The national exam mean is 500 with sigma equal to 100. A school's 50 students score an average of 520. Which test is best? A. One sample t-test. Letter B. Independent samples t-test. Letter C. Z-test for known sigma. Letter D. Paired samples t-test. Number 7. A company reports the mean monthly salary of employees is 28,000 pesos. A sample of 35 employees has mean of 27,500. S equal to 2,000 pesos. Which test is used? Letter A. Z-test for known sigma. Letter B. Paired sample test. C. one sample t-test. Letter D, independent sample t-test. Number 8. A teacher wants to know if the average exam score in her class differs from the national mean of 75. Sigma is unknown. Which test is used? A, one sample t-test. Letter B, say test for known sigma. Letter C, independent samples t-test. Letter D, paired samples t-test. Number 9. Two brands of tires are compared for mileage. Brand A, N is equal to 30, mean equal to 40,000, S equal to 2,500. Brand B, N is equal to 28, mean is equal to 41,200, S equals to 2,800. Which tool applies? Letter A, one sample t-test. Letter B, independent samples t-test. Letter C, z-test for known sigma. Letter D, paired samples t-test. Number 10. A diet program measures participants' weights before and after 6 weeks. Which test should be performed? Letter A, independent samples t-test. Letter B, one sample t-test. Letter C, paired samples t-test. Letter D, test for known sigma. Number 11. A hospital tests if the average patient recovery time is 14 days. Sigma is 3 days is known. Which test is used? Letter A, sample t-test. Letter B, z-test for known sigma. Letter C, independent samples t-test. Letter D, paired sample t-test. Number 12. A researcher wants to test if two groups of students differ in math performance. Sigma is unknown, and both groups have different sample sizes. Which test applies? Letter A, one sample t-test. Letter B, independent samples t-test. Letter C, z-test for known sigma. Letter D, paired sample t-test. Number 13. In a study, 20 participants take a memory test before and after training. Which hypothesis test is most suitable? A, one sample t-test. Letter B, independent samples t-test. Letter C, paired samples t-test. Letter D, z-test for known sigma. Number 14. A car company advertises fuel use as 6 liters per 100 kilometers. A sample of 36 cars shows mean equal to 6.3 liters per 100 kilometer. Sigma is 0.5. Which test is appropriate? A, independent samples t-test. B, z-test for known sigma. C, paired samples t-test. D, one sample t-test. We will have the next part of this lesson.